All right, again. So today we have a 2019 vauxhall Astra. We're gonna do front brake, and this is where. So we're just gonna change this hand pad together. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna remove the brake reservoir cover. And to locate it, it is right in this corner. All you have to do is just ease it up a little bit, but remember to cork it back after. So now we're gonna go ahead and remove the wheel. So we're gonna jack it up. So just watch me while we do this one. So next step, we're gonna crack the wheel locking nut. Crack all of them. Then we're gonna go ahead and jack up the vehicle. Now we're gonna place the jack stand safely underneath the car. Now we're gonna remove the wheel nuts. And the wheel is off. So the next thing, we're gonna remove the caliper and remove the disc rotor. Let's do it. So next step, we're gonna remove this spring here. Spring is off. Next step, we're gonna squeeze in the piston. So you're gonna put the screwdriver between the brake pads and the piston. Squeeze it in with the flathead screwdriver. And this is the old school way. Yeah. Piston is in. And now we're gonna remove the caliper. All you need is this 7 all-in key, and it carries 2 dust caps. Remove those. Caliper is off. So we're just gonna rest the caliper somewhere up there where it don't damage the brake hose. And we're gonna go ahead and take off the disc rotor. To remove the disc rotor, you need this star tool. It carry one screw, There, pull it like that. Get out the screw. Screw is out. So now, to remove the caliper bracket, you need a 21 socket with a breaker bar to move it. So, caliper bracket is off. So now it's just to take off the disc rotor. So all you have to do is just use the hammer and give it a little knock, and it's off. So you can see this one is heating down. That is the reason why we're changing it. To have the lip on the edge. So out with the old, in with the new. Good to go. So now we're gonna give the bracket a little clean. So now we're gonna replace back the caliper bracket and put on back the pads. Well tight. So now it's time to put back the brakes. Let's do it. Out with the old, in with the new. part is in. Now we're gonna put in this one, the outer one. Easy as that. Some people use grease on it, but I'm not using no grease, cause the grease, all it do is just take up whole heap of dust and the caliper. And we don't want that. So that is it. So now we're just gonna bolt it up back and go to the next side. So the same way how you take it off, you just remember and put it on it back that way in the reverse order. Pretty straightforward if you have the tools. Then you put on back the dust cap. That's it. So brake is on. The next thing is to put on back the clip. Last thing leave to put on now is the clip. So let's put it on. Sometimes them is a little bit hard to go on, but you can trick it sometime and get it on, you know. So now I'm trying to trick it, see if I can get it on. Yeah, and I trick it and it's on. So brake is ready, everything new, brake pads, this rotor, everything brand new. So all you have to do now is just pump up back your brake and job done. So that is how you change front caliper, not front caliper, front pads and this rotor on a vauxhall Astra 2019. And it's the same procedure for most of them. So like, share, subscribe to the channel for more video like this.